Hey nature boys and girls, I just found the coolest, weirdest mushroom. I'm pretty sure it's a mushroom. It's pretty awesome. I don't know what it's called. It's a complete mystery to me, but I have to share it with you. Are you ready? Okay, it's kind of freaky. There are flies all around it, and I kind of have the heebie-jeebies now. It's kind of gross, but it's really awesome. Pretty sure it's a mushroom, and yeah, if you know what it is, please let me know. It's pretty amazing. I'm kind of mystified. I would love to find out what it is. At the moment, it kind of looks like a space-age palace for a very small little Thumbelina type person. Yeah. Hey, I hope you get to go outside and have a sublime day.